Thank you, Vijay. You know, someone asked me the other day, you seem pretty calm for someone whose debut co-production with Foxstar has done so well. And I said, you know, if it had done badly, I would have been just as calm, honestly. But the fact of the... Yeah, Vijay would not have been, but I would have been, I think. But because the fact of the matter is that when I look back and I think of all the possible departments, all the possibilities, all the human beings who've interacted with us on this film, it's actually been unbelievable that there's not a single box I can tick where we weren't at 110% everywhere. So, having said that, I'm going to... Spectacular. काय लाज लज्जा शरम नाही का तुमच्या पाठीमागे फोटोग्राफर उभा राहिलाय काय कमाल
बाद में कर देना
ओके 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 वेट दादा प्लीज दादा प्लीज 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 सर प्लीज सर स्टेज पे करा अनिल स्टेज पे करा
with my lucky pocket square, which Atul gives me. No, I just want to say first that, you know, the job of a director is to have a vision and pass it on. I did that, but I realized later that that's really not all, because I do need a whole group of people who are out there to protect and nurture that vision. And that's the important people, and these are the important people, and that's the important person over here. So thanks to Bling and thanks to Foxstar for protecting and nurturing what I wanted to do, and by keeping it honest. And thanks to even the marketing team and the distribution team for actually going out there. And a lot of people have actually said, wow, you all have marketed this film so well, and that's really thanks to the marketing team for having been honest to the film, and thank you so much for that. Okay. The thing is that we knew what we wanted to make. We knew what we wanted to make, but we never actually knew what we had made till you told us. And that's all of you people sitting over here, and that's the journalists and that's the media. You told us first what we had made, and you gave us that love, and so actually really thank you to all of y'all. Y'all come and y'all wait and y'all stand, and y'all are really patient, and thank you so much. So, and of course, thank you to India for remembering Neerja. So I'm going to now give it back to Atul to continue with the evening.
There was a gentleman who played Daddy, and he did a remarkable job. Please welcome on stage Yogendra Tikku. Tikku ji. We have a poet in our midst. We have harrowed him a lot, and I mean a lot. And each time we harrowed him, he came up with more and more and more. And for the remarkable music of Neerja, put your hands together for the inimitable Prasoon Joshi. There's another Gujarati actor in town who can who can sing really well. And he was remarkable in the small scenes. I'm just pulling his leg. We do this to him all the time. But there are lots of women who want his phone number now. And we are happily passing it on to everybody. Okay, so or you can get the number from Sonam. Shekhar Ravjani, thank you for doing this. Just leave the center to go. Yeah. Okay. For some reason best known to them, the Bhanot brothers decided to give the film to us. I have absolutely no idea why. Must have been Shanti's and my super honest face, and then Ram's earnest face, and the fact that the lead actress looked a lot like their sister. Yeah, likely more Shanti's face than my face. But no, I put on my halo today. But we are ever so grateful, because someone told me that, you know, you can actually do this without taking permission, and because it's in the public domain, and I thought the idea was reprehensible. And we called them and they said yes, and we are very, very grateful and for them to fly down as well. Akhil and Anish Bhanot, Neerja's brothers, without whom this film would not have got the blessing it got. I think we need one more chair. I think. We often refer to her as the Empress, and at one level, the movie, it's unbelievable. And when we discussed in the office as to who we should, at the Fox office, as to who we should get, and someone mentioned Shabana ji's name, and yeah. Like it's my first film. I can't think of a greater the compliment to give. I am so. And finally, she has her huge visage behind us. She's backed first-time producers with all her heart, a first-time director, well, first-time Hindi movie director with everything she had, and she put her heart and soul into it. We cannot be more grateful. Please put your hand together for Neerja Sonam Kapoor. I'm going to generally now leave this in the middle. Whoever asks a question, and then I'll pass the mic on.
Okay.
Hello. Hi Sonam. Many congratulations. आप सभी के लिए तो सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत बधाई हो कि फिल्म टैक्स फ्री हो गई है और हर एक इंसान नीरजा को अपने साथ लेकर गया है. क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
ये मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता, तो आई थिंक विजय जी या अतुल को ये आंसर करना चाहिए. मतलब मुझे क्या
हाँ, let me
विजय, आप
answer
बताएं.
that. Just to sort of put it into perspective, I think we all know that not only audiences in India, but audiences across the world have embraced Neerja in a manner that has actually surprised us all amazingly. Just to help you understand it, I mean, you know, we all familiar with Queen was a big hit. Queen went and did some certain numbers of some 50, 60, about 60 crores. Neerja has actually gone and performed in the 2 weeks of that it's been out, over 52 crores in India and over $3 million outside of India. It is an incredible embrace that audiences have done for the film. And the only reason for that is because you have a very, very powerful story being told and directed and performed by very, very talented people. So come on, media, let's give them a big hand. They're amazing people.
And there's Saivan and Sanyukta is right here. They're the writers, so thank you to them.
And Rucha and Shanti. And Amita and everybody else. I feel like everybody should be on stage, and the marketing team and Spice and everybody. I don't know what's going on. Why are we all like the fall down?
All the heavyweights are down there.
राम सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है इधर आप लोगों ने बिजनेस को ऑब्जर्व किया, इतना अच्छा बिजनेस कर रही है फिल्म. कौन सी ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो कनेक्ट कर रही है आप लोगों के हिसाब से कि ऑडियंस आ रहा है फिल्म देखने?
जी, ये पिक्चर की एक तो हम बात कर सकते हैं इनकी वैल्यूज़ की, और दूसरे हम बात कर सकते हैं उनकी वैल्यू सिस्टम्स की. तो जो कनेक्ट जो हो रहा है वो वैल्यू सिस्टम्स कर रहे हैं, वो कनेक्ट हो रहा है, वो इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ वैल्यू सिस्टम. द वैल्यू सिस्टम इज़ व्हाट इज़ ब्रिंगिंग इन वैल्यू. So I think that is really the fact that here is a girl who stood for do your duty come what may. Here is a family that stood for a value system that is very Indian. Here is a mother who overcomes the loss of a child. There are certain things that people have taken out, which is here is a girl who stood for self-respect. There are certain things over here that is so much part of any human being's value system that we have received, like we've been told, like we got somebody told us that I went home and I hugged my mother after I saw the film. An air hostess told us that people are looking at me with new respect. So there is certain things that are connecting here which is just common human values. So that is the reason.
सोनम, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि क्या इस फिल्म को क्या अपनी करियर की सबसे बेस्ट फिल्म आप मानती हैं?